Hello my brothers and sisters, and welcome back to another action-packed episode of Chris the Butcher and Friends. And tonight we're going down the pizza route. Yes, I'm making a pizza, not from scratch. I bought the bases from Asda, right? 14 inches. Now, some people think that's massive, some people think that's massive. Some people are happy with a small little 6-incher. But I've got two 14 inches. I'm digressing. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going for that one. But yes, I think it's Domino's do a cheeseburger pizza. Now, I am not saying this is a copycat because I don't actually know how to do it, right? But I am essentially making a cheeseburger pizza. I might put smoked bacon on it. I might fucking not. It's up to me, innit? So yes, my brethren, we're having a cheeseburger pizza. So like everything, we've got to start somewhere, and you can see there, oh, we nearly had the woo thing going in. Forget that, I've done it already. Right, they're about 50 grams each. I've made little sliders, right? And I was thinking about cooking these in batches, but you know what, they're that fucking small. There's no point, is there? Might as well get them all cooked. Get it done. Let's get this burger pizza. You bitch. Rattled off, eh? Listen. It's not rocket science, is it? Not to burn your fucking hands. But I'm doing it. Right, fuck off over there. My burgers are sticking to... Bam, bam, bam! Might be the skin off my fucking fingers. Right, rolling anyway. So, I want to... Really, I want to cook these quite well, and I don't want them too burnt. I don't want them underdone, because they are going to go in the oven on top of the pizza, but only for about 12 minutes. So, anyway, I'll be back when I'm flipping them motherfucker. As you can see, I've already started turning them over. Now, these have been in for about 5 minutes. Probably not even that. Do you know what? I don't know. I didn't even time it. Now, they do smell absolutely delicious. And what I did forget to tell you as well is I actually seasoned these with just salt, nothing else, before I put them in the frying pan. Now, I'm going to give them a few more minutes, and then I am doing the smoked bacon, and that'll be next in the frying pan, obviously. Where's my fucking beer? Right, I'll be back in a minute. I want my beer. As you can probably tell, the burgers are done. They're resting. They've had an hard day at office. And we're going to go in with 4 slices of proper smoked bacon. None of that liquid smoked shit. This is proper bacon. We get this nice and crispy because I'm going to chop this up into like fine diced sort of thing, and we'll be sprinkling that on our pizza as well. So it's a bacon cheeseburger pizza, essentially. Yeah, I think we'll call it that. Well, the burgers are done, the bacon is done, everything is chopped ready. I've got the bags of grated cheese ready, and I have got this chunky burger sauce, right? And now, no word of a lie, this stuff smells and tastes like the stuff on the base of the Domino's cheeseburger pizza. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Oh no. It's chunky, innit? How much of this I'm going to use? I'm going to use a full fucking jar here, or what? Now, it does look crude, I must admit. And I'm probably going to use the full jar on this. No fear, it was only 84 pence. That'll do, actually. Because all I'm going to do, I've got to get my trusty spoon, and we're going to smother this all around this pizza. Because this is our base. Right? You don't need to see me smothering my sauce, do you? So I'll be back in a minute when we carry on with topping this bastard. As if by magic, that is our base kind of done. I used a lot more than I thought. There were a lot more there than I fucking thought. It's about 3 inches deep in some places. Right, I've got some pickles. And I don't know how we're going to do that, so I think we should just throw it on. Because if you've got a cheeseburger pizza or a burger or anything like that, you've got to have pickles on. Now, I was wondering where to put these on this pizza. And I thought underneath the cheese and whatnot, I thought that would be a good idea, right? I hope Lou likes pickles, because there's fucking shitloads of pickles on here. Oh dear. Oh dear, is this going to work? It's looking like an abortion so far, right? I have now got to delve into the cheese, open the bag and sprinkle that. But I will be back and doing that with you. I do promise. And now it's time for the cheese. I've put it on my 12-inch pizza tray, right? Unfortunately, this is a 14-inch base. It might turn into a quiche. Right? I'm just gonna get cheese all over this fucker, honestly. Preferably on the pizza, not all over the floor like I just have done. This pizza's going to weigh about 13 pounds in weights. Oh dear. This is another one of these where I started it and thought, fucking hell, I wish I hadn't. Right? But it's going to be tasty. It is going to be bang tidy tasty. I've just how much cheese there? I've just used, and fuck it, right? A full 500 grams of grated mild cheese. And I will, if you wonder what the sound's about, Kieran's playing Crash Bandicoot in the living room. And as you are probably well in this house, the living room is only about 3 foot away. Right, we're doing this real time. Fuck knows how I'm going to do this now. Let's get I'm going to do it so I don't know. I really don't know how this is going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Oh, for fuck's sake, I don't know. I'll do it so I want to get it so we get a beat of burger on it, so when I slice it, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah? Here we go. Here we go. We haven't finished. Because we've got smoked bacon to go on there yet, which I'll just spread around here. Definitely wish I. Do you know what? I wish I'd just gone an ex-hamster and had a wank. Because this is not, look, in my mind, this looked fuck all like this. Right? But we'll persevere. Right, listen, do you know what I'm going to do? Fuck it. We're going to get this in the oven now, 200 degrees, and I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes or until that cheese is really crispy. Because we love crispy cheese, don't we? But yeah, that's going in right now. And my brothers and sisters, there is our bacon cheeseburger pizza. Fresh out of the oven. I couldn't film it because I needed 2 hands because it was a fucking monstrous thing. I'm going to put some tomato ketchup on it. Right, and normally you will put mustard on it. But listen, there's only me that likes mustard in this house. And there's not only me eating this, so I can't do it. Right? How do we do this? That'll fucking do. Bang! Right, I'm going to let that cool for 10 minutes. Take the thumbnail, and then we're going to slide this down me gizzard. Oh. There it is, my brothers and sisters. Could you see the pickles underneath? My bacon cheeseburger pizza. Now I've got about 17 bites before I get to the burger, won't I? But we don't care, do we? We've got to slide this down my gizzard. That is a thing of fucking beauty. Fucking hell. That is the best pizza I've ever made. I'm catching shit. Someone commented the other day, said, Chris, I love your videos, but I can't stand the noise you make when you eat. I'm sorry, but I'm a fucking pig. I'll tell you what, we can't wait for that. I got a burger. Bit of pickle underneath there, look. Make it into a sandwich. And off we pop. My God, that is one of the best pizzas I've ever made. Well, I didn't make the best. You know I didn't make the best. I bought two for £2.40 in Asda, right? Keaton's still playing Crash Bandicoot. Oh, piece of shit, right? Honestly, that was an amazing pizza. And that tasted, I think it was that burger sauce, and that tasted just like the one you get from Domino's, but only a fraction of the cost. It was superb. I liked it. If you liked it, press like, comment, share it on your social media, and subscribe. And become a family member of #TeamCTB, where I fucking love you. That is now fucking fire.